Picture Elon Musk in a crowded Tesla factory, not just fighting to build cars but racing to reinvent the future. Around him, 3D printers hum, AI systems juggle logistics, and the atmosphere crackles with relentless energy. How do you go from a crazy idea to a billion-dollar game-changer faster than anyone else? Musk asks. That's the puzzle Bold unlocks, revealing how today's exponential tech and audacious mindsets rewrite the rules of wealth and impact. Ready to crack that code? Forget slow progress. In Bold, Diamandis shows how emerging tech doesn't just improve business, it blasts barriers, letting startups explode into billion-dollar giants practically overnight. Peter Diamandis recounts how MakerBot's early 3D printers let dreamers craft prototypes in days, not months. Suddenly, inventors in garages could hold working models, iterate faster, and attract funding without needing a factory. This tech brought manufacturing to the masses, turning mere ideas into tangible realities at blistering speed. Think of exponential growth like compound interest on steroids. Diamandis compares Moore's law, doubling computing power roughly every 2 years, to a rocket. Early moves seem slow, but soon acceleration is unstoppable. That's how software, AI, and robotics combine to turbocharge all industries, creating value faster than anyone's been prepared for. This tech tsunami means traditional companies are like freight trains running into a typhoon. The payoff? Founders who embrace exponential tools don't just compete, they redefine markets overnight. Diamandis stresses that it's no longer about incremental tweaks, but aiming at moonshots, audacious goals that transform billions of lives while making bold entrepreneurs wildly wealthy. It's not just the tech, it's the mind behind it. Bold dives deep into the mindset of today's wildest entrepreneurs and how you can adopt their fearless, hyper-ambitious thinking. Diamandis shares a conversation with Larry Page, who insists you shouldn't settle for small improvements. Instead of improving search by 10%, shoot for making it 10 times better. That kind of thinking blows up the imagination and forces breakthrough inventions, because incremental just doesn't cut it in an exponential world. Elon Musk's early rockets exploded. A lot, but Musk didn't just see failures. He treated each blast-off disaster as a vital lesson, mining gold from ashes. Diamandis highlights how embracing failure dismantles fear. It's not a wall, but a stepping stone toward extraordinary success. Richard Branson credits his relentless energy to a higher purpose, making a positive dent in the world. Bold founders aren't just chasing money, they're driven by a mission that ignites fierce resilience and creativity, attracting communities and capital like moths to a flame. Want a secret weapon? Bold reveals how to harness the unstoppable force of the crowd and turn tens of billions in collective power into your rocket fuel. Peter Diamandis tells the story of the Planetary Resources Kickstarter, which raised millions to mine asteroids. Backers weren't just donors, they became evangelists, propelling an audacious vision. Crowdfunding transforms strangers into stakeholders who fuel momentum far beyond traditional investors' reach. The XBRIZE Foundation turned a crazy idea, building a private spacecraft, into a $10 million competition. This prize attracted engineers worldwide, squeezing innovation out of teams fueled by a bold incentive rather than salary. It's like throwing a gauntlet to the world, daring the best minds to solve your problem. Diamandis discusses building communities like Singularity University's global network, thousands strong, sharing knowledge, resources, and muscle. These exponential armies aren't just followers, they're co-creators, amplifying impact through connectivity and leverage unimaginable a decade ago. Back in Musk's Tesla factory, the question echoes, how do you leap from wild idea to industry titan? Bold's answer is simple: fuse exponential tech, fearless psychology, and the power of the crowd to create something unstoppable. So here's your chance: choose one tiny bold step today. Maybe prototype with a 3D printer, pitch your idea openly, or launch that daring crowdfunding page. Start small, think huge, think bold. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.